The work area is the space between these two blue markers. Really handy or quite necessary whenever you're working within a project, and especially in those larger projects or larger timelines when you have loads of different type of layers stacked up, because your computer needs to process or cache using your computer RAM every time you want to preview this section or duration within a timeline. So the workspace just lets you do this in smaller sequences, in smaller steps instead, which is a lot more efficient. By right-clicking it, and we're able to lift work area. So when no layers are marked, it will lift or trim all those parts of those layers in the work area. While if one or more layers are marked, only those will be affected. Extract work area will instead remove or ripple delete that whole area, whereas the end of the work area will become the new beginning of the timeline. It's also possible to trim comp to work area, and thus changing the comp duration, trimming it down and becoming only that area. We're able to create protected region from work area to not affect this area with any type of changes. You can either reach it here or go up to composition and responsive design time, where it's found in the very bottom. There's the further possibility to create intro and outro, meaning a protected area will be created, either 15% of the whole composition, starting from the beginning with intro and forward, and the opposite from the end with outro.